Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? It's about 7:20 in the morning here in Chicago. Friday, I should say. 26th of June. All right. After this, we got 2 more days. We get a new month, guys. All right. Nike. Uh, that one just came out. Got another downgrade, down to $40. All right. Nike just keeps taking it on the chin. I don't know how things gonna turn things around, but that's what we got. Well, we got tech lower today on higher costs, and soon to have slowing margins. That's what I say. All right. Um, so higher costs. We got everybody coming across on this news this morning. 12, 13, 15, 6 down to 1147 on Micron. Come back down. All right, there's your Micron, SanDisk, all the big guys. SNDK. This one, 23.35 down to 22.05. All right, so big move to the downside here, back down to 22. Where are we at right now? 22.05. We were closed at 23.35. All right, SanDisk taking a hit here this morning along with Micron. Western Digi, there's another one. Western Digi coming back down here, 675 closed at. It's down about $30 here this morning on Western Digitals. Coming back down. Stay out of tech. I can't say it enough. What was the other one that I had there? SanDisk, AMD. Okay, AMD down about $20. All right, so higher costs soon, smaller margins. Okay, I think that's where this is coming from. All right, so we'll see there. We'll see what happens there. Crude is a little bit lower this morning, and gold is a little higher. I like gold. I do like gold. I'm going to start nibbling on gold a little bit here. Jamie Dimon calling for 6,000 by the end of the year. I kind of like it. I think the metals are starting to wake up, guys. All right, I think we talked about these yesterday. I was talking about the guys on the Discord. A little bit higher here today now on GDX coming back up. Had a day. This is coming down from the daily, so he had a higher high, but still kind of still heavy here. So no hurry on these things. All right, they're still heavy. All right, that's GDX. Kind of talks for all of them. Coeur d'Alene, not much there. Coeur d'Alene, 1618. Look at that, taking day up. CDE, BTG. So another one that I like here, little guys, BTG. Back down to 396 with you. All right, see what it was up to. Up on a 2-month, got all the way to 553. All right, let's see if we can turn that around and get that triangle back out. Look at Freeport. I think the metals are coming back to life. But and no hurry though with the months in the weeks heavy down. All right, so just keeping an eye on them for right now. I think they're starting to make the turn there a little bit, maybe there. All right, we'll take a look at the futures here. All right, we're across the board here. We're lower. Okay, I was looking earlier there. That NASDAQ was down. SPX down about 36, $37 this morning on your SPX. We're lower here on the NASDAQ by about 360 something points coming back down. All right, let's see exactly where we're at right now. All right, yeah, down 339, so a little bit lower, continuation to the downside. And if we were looking for the Dow Jones to Industrial Average right now, we'd be opening down about $50. All right, then we'll look at SPY. All right, just this little island here, odd. All right, where are we at? All right, so yesterday's highs were 739.37. We're trading now 730 here right now. Okay, 730. All right, so we're not taking day down, but we are inside day, and not looking so great here where we are right now on this island. All right, we got a gap to fill too. We got to get back to this guy. Okay, so that was the gap yesterday. All right, SPY. Triple Q's 707.60. That doesn't break the day, or 705.30 to try to take a day down. 705.30. Continuation to the ups, to the downside. I like this week on the tech. All right, month is still holding up all right there. All right, let's look at diamonds. 519.04, a little better here, but nowhere near where we were highs yesterday. All right, so shooter down here, but we're going to be inside day on the futures. All right, so like I said, crude lower, gold a little higher. All right, couple names here. Macy's on our retail side. I think she's still going to get it right. Sometimes you got to go through hell to get to where you want to get to. Okay, so be prepared for that. All right, and then we've got KSS. All right, this one's still good. Back up to 19 bucks here again, fighting back. I think this thing still goes higher here. All right, on your retail side. And we'll take a look at the sectors. So XLP, a little better this morning here. 84.42 right now. So they came back down hard yesterday. I had to buy some on that puker down day. So and we're a little bit better here right now. It's trading back up to 84.42. Stick with the staples. All right, Procter & Gamble is another one that I kind of been watching here. Still 3 down on the week here, and 3 on the. You got a green month outside, and you got a red week outside. So there you go. Looking for a little bit more downside, right? Let's go. Bring these guys in for us. I think they're going to be higher. All right. Dollar Tree, we had a nice move yesterday in the morning. And it got all the way back up to 120 and change. Did it? Yeah, it got up to 120.57. All right, so 118.40, not much going on here this morning on that. All right, so there's your XLP. XRT retail, it kind of crapped out yesterday on the daily, but like I said, you got to go through hell to get to where you want to get to. All right, so this is part of hell. All right, if you're in XRT, it's coming against you right now if you're involved. But look at this month and look at this inside week here. Okay, it's Friday. We're going to get a 2-1 something here next week. That month is pretty studly. All right, so hang on to that one. I still think that group stays good. I think XLF keeps fighting back, but it can't seem to continue. So I'm a little leery, and I'm a little leery and a little leery. All right, so I don't know here. All right, I think shooter down day, right? Nasty. Yeah, another one, hell. But you're going to be inside this here. So no hurry for the banks either, if anything. XLI, industrials, maybe. I don't know. They gave up so much yesterday on that day up. And what do we got? The 4 hours coming back down right now, back to 183.74. But we're still all right here right now. And now a little bit of news out this morning. The airlines are being praised to the heavens this morning. Okay, the airlines are being praised to the heaven. Everybody's upgrading them. Everybody loves them. The stock has already moved. Okay, they're trying to get out of their positions. All right, because I look at American Airlines here. Look at the move it's made. Okay, this has made the move here. Now these guys are asking us to say, oh, the margins are great. Da 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 da. They want you to take them out of their positions. All right, don't help them. All right, American Airlines. There you go. You all. All right, look at the you all. You see the moves they made? Look at 2-2 up on the month. They're asking. They want you to take them out of their positions. Don't help them. We don't help them. We wait for them. We wait for them to get sick and tired of waiting for us to come and buy them, and then they'll hit them, and then we'll get them. All right. So airlines, keep an eye out. I'm not too excited about that. INVH, real estate's been hot. All right, look at 2-2 up on Invitation Homes, man. This thing's got outside weak, too. Looking for 3-2-2 back up. All right, Invitation Homes looks good. Vanguard looks good. And they've been moving a little bit, too, but I still kind of like these. I like this outside day here. On that could go into force. We see what happens there. We're at 97.30 right now, 97.46. All right, so we're going to be inside day. All right, Vanguard and American Tower. All right, I like those. This one is a little bit piggish. All right, you are 3 down on the month. You're 3 up. Look at this one. Hammer up on the outside. Shooter down on the downside. Look at that on the monthly. All right. What happens here? Nothing. 168.72. It's a little bit higher this morning. All right, but you got full-time continuity to the downside on American Tower. So that one will be the one to watch because maybe that one will turn around. All right. All right. So again, real estate pretty good. Industrials possibly. They just can't get good traction. Banks, they run up and they stop and they don't do anything. XLB, definitely keeping an eye on the metals. All right, gold's higher this morning and crude's lower again today. It was just like that yesterday too. So crude is going to find its place too pretty soon. You know, it's not going to just come down to $50 here anytime soon. All right. Again, I want to finish with this one. Nike. Everybody on the street hates them. They've been thrown to the dogs. I mean, they're filing. I mean, Nike is really having a bad decade. And does this capitulate at $40 now? Maybe. All right. Is it worth 40? We'll see what the next earnings brings us. There's no reason to go running after Nike here right now. It is down heavy everywhere. All right. So I think Nike will and get better, and he'll drag some guys with him, right? And Lululemon, look, it had the 2 down day yesterday, after a really kind of a nice 2-1-2 move, and all of a sudden she stalls out. All right, so look for Lulu to probably break back down to that 106 area. That's where I think we find it there. All right, and then on. This is another one. This is a Chinese company, so I don't really know too much about this one, but they got great shoes. All right, On Semiconductor was one of the ones that we had this morning too. They're doing an acquisition, so they're a little bit lower here. This down about $18. All right, so tech wreck again a little bit, a minor one, but like I said earlier, we got higher costs and soon lower margins. Okay, that's what we're looking for. All right, Micron is down about 100 and something bucks and change. SanDisk is down pretty good. Western Digital is down good. AMD, and I'm going to finish with this one. Oh boy, do I hate NVIDIA. How long have I been saying I hate NVIDIA? We break 193. All right, we're back down to 193. Next stop, 164. Have a good Friday. I'll try to get in during the day. Be good.